Hi guys, this is EatPiPs from Forex Factory, where I've just recently started my trading journal. Just a quick little introduction about myself. I've been trading since February 2009. Many accounts I have blown along the way to today, based on basically not believing in my system, having some losing trades, saying my system's not good, looking for another system, again having a winning period, getting a losing period, and then changing my system again because I didn't trust in it, etc, etc. But to be honest, if I didn't go through those periods of times, I would not have got to where I am with my system, which is the most basic system you could possibly think of. But I will just show you. I mean, this video is going to be on YouTube, but you know, if you're watching this, you're probably going to be on Forex Factory. EatPiPs Forex project, my trading journal. It was started yesterday, September the 30th. So basically, all my trades that are currently showing on my journal here on Forex Factory is basically trades that I opened from yesterday. This is today, October the 1st, and what's happened so far, my current statistics. So yesterday, these were the trades that look up. Okay, again, I'll trade 38 pairs in total, and it's pure price action, support and resistance. I do not use any indicators whatsoever. I use no system. I use nothing at all except pure price action, support and resistance. I'll show you my charts shortly, but from my charts yesterday, these were the trades I had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades opened yesterday based on my charts, which was showing me to get into the market. 4 pending orders which I had, which I basically set expiration depending on where the price moves to, and they all, none of them at all reached the entry level, and therefore they all expired. As of today, which is 1st of October, so far I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades from yesterday close. 1 trade I opened today which is closed already, and 3 further trades which I've opened today. 3 pending orders, which of 1 has expired. So today's trades which have closed, I've had a 101 pip gain, an AUD NZD, a 76 pip gain on the AUD CHF, a 322 pip gain on the EU RTRY, a 22 pip loss which hit my stop loss. USD DKK, again stop loss hit 29 pips. Euro CAD, 33 pip stop loss hit. AUD JPY, and a 40 pip stop loss hit on my Euro USD trade. So they just didn't go my way. I mean, I believed in the trade, reason why I took it, but obviously the market didn't want to play my way. So far from today and yesterday's trades, as this is purely based on since I've opened the journal yesterday, I've had a 499 pip gain, 124 pip loss, and so far I'm a 375 pip profit. Right, let's take you to my charts. 1 second. So basically, these are all the pairs that I trade. I know you can't see the end of these, but this is basically all the pound pairs here. These are the euro pairs here, and so forth. I'll take you through. I've currently got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 open trades currently running. Let's go through them one at a time. AUD NZD. So we got one going here. Right. Yesterday this was opened. Buy here. And I had my stop loss, as you can see on my charts, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. There's no indicators, no moving averages, no RSI, nothing at all. I don't use nothing except I have my time here for what's going on in every country I need to know about. I have my daily range, what we've done today, the spread, current prices, etc. That's all I need. This is my candle time. When my candle is going to close, I work purely off the 4-hour charts only. I do not look at any lower time frames at all. There's one chart that I work off the daily, which is the USD CHF, because this chart is so much cleaner on the daily. I cannot work on the 4-hour on this one. So which were we on? We were on where are we? We were here. Okay. So basically yesterday, previous support here. This is how I place my support resistance lines. If I just take you onto the daily, right? This was the support I'm working off. 112. Where are we gonna have 112? Not here, not here. 112 here. Right. Last support was a bit of a range area there, but it was, you can see, used as resistance there. Kind of used as support there. It was used as support there as well. Here it's been used support. You see here support, resistance, and you get the picture. My support and resistance lines are basically, let's take it to the end. They're not just dated from the recent support and resistance. I go back even a few years to see if the lines are valid. If they're not valid, they're not on my chart. Simple. If you've got a 300 pip range between each support and resistance, so be it. I'm not going to place my support and resistance unless they're valid. And I'll keep these as my zones. These are my zones for support and resistance. So basically, yesterday I saw the bears candle hit the support there. This candle here, the bull candle, it was definitely not going to go lower. Wasn't going any higher than that, and the close was near the open, right? So this is the candle I'm going to place my order from. I'm going to place it just above the high of that candle, and my stop loss was just below there, which was probably going to be sitting on support, I think, because I've changed the stop loss now because I've hit my first target. So probably at 1.1208 would have been the stop loss. So this was my trade here, finished here, which was that first level of resistance, and I've moved my stop loss into profit. Next target is here, and we're not too far off it at the moment. We're what? Let's have a look. 15-16 pips away, perhaps, you know. So even if it goes back a little bit, you know, I'm sure it will hit that, but I'm going to let that carry on the way it is. So that's my first trade that's currently running. Second trade is AUD USD. Let's have a look at that, which is a buy. Again, completely cleared. That is going in the direction. I placed that trade based on this last close candle here. So I basically placed it at the open of that candle. I think we were probably around here when I placed the trade. Stop loss was around here, and the take profit is at the first resistance. I've moved it now into profit because we have cleared this level over here. Here I was expecting a bit of movement. I mean, it could still come back down, it could even take me out there, but you know, I'm quite confident that will continue in this direction, so I'm just banking my profits basically just in case. This is my next open trade. What we got, the next one, USD SGD, which is over here. Okay, this is a short, again based off the resistance here. You know, it's going back. I mean, this is just a short term you're looking at here. This level is used as support and resistance. The trade was taken off this candle here, so the order was placed for the wick, the end of the wick there. Stop loss is still in this current position. You know, this could be moving in any direction. Average daily range is 62. We've done 52 already. You know, maybe it's going to move a bit more today, maybe not, but you know, by the end of the week, hopefully I've reached my target, which is on this black line you can't see at the moment, which is the support, and the actual target itself is 1.24400. So it's just below that line there. The next trade we've got GBPAD, which is this one here. Okay, again we've got this level as resistance. The trade was placed for this candle here, the close of this candle. So I suppose we were still on the bulls when I placed that trade, and it was based on if it reaches back down to that level and closes, which it did. Stop loss was up here at this level. Take profit is down here. That's the next support for me that I can see. We've cleared this level. The reason I've moved the stop loss down now is because we've cleared this level of support. So I can eventually see it coming down to there. The next pair we got is a pound New Zealand dollar, which is this one. This is a buy. This was opened up today, and well, currently I'm pound New Zealand dollar. I'm actually at 0.00. It's currently sitting on my entry price, taken off basically the high of this short here, and because of the spread, it's currently sitting at 0. It's just gone into profit now, but it's fluctuating around here at the moment. My stop loss is just below my zone here of support. I believe this, yes, I believe I placed it just after this wick had closed. It had reached down to here, so basically my stop loss is there, which is what this, the stop loss is, what, 10, and take profit is, sorry, yeah, so I mean it's a 2-to-1 here, this trade. I mean I can see it, I mean we're going in the trend of this direction anyway. I mean, I'll place this trade, I believe it's going to continue going up. The way it's been, you know, it's gone off the resistance, hit the support, kind of broke the resistance, gone down again, couldn't get back to support. It's going to go up, perhaps it's going to come down a little bit, but it's going to continue going up. We've got the pound yen, another trade, right, I'm short here, opened up at the open of this bull candle, which was taken down quite heavily by the bears. Stop loss is just above the wick of that, which is just above the range of my resistance level, and I want to see it go through the first level of support, where I do believe it's probably going to heal a little bit, get a bit of range, and then eventually go down to this level of support that I have. So that's my pound yen trade, and I've got the CAD CHF, which is here. This is a buy again. It's currently retraced down. It hasn't nearly hit my stop loss there, but it hasn't. My stop loss is just below that wick. Actually, when did I open up that trade? Oh, this was quite a recent trade. This was this one was hit about an hour ago, just under an hour ago, and it's no, when did I open this one up? Yeah, well, it was opened up today because of the time differences, etc. So this one is aiming again to get to this resistance level, and we'll see how it goes. But you know, I place my trades according to my money management rules. If it's not worth it, I mean, if you look at the gold here, I've had my sell limit. I had it here yesterday, and it didn't. No, I had my sell limit. Where did I have my sell limit yesterday? Let's have a look. I've taken it out. I can have a look on my 344. Okay, so 344, which was in the same sort of area here. It didn't get triggered off yesterday, because yesterday, sorry, here. So once we were here is when I placed the trade, and it didn't get, because this is today's one, it was just above there, it didn't get triggered. So I believe this pair is going to go down. It's going to go back below 13, but I don't want to get into this trade unless we get back into this zone, because for my money management rules, it's not going to work. So yeah, I mean, even if we don't go back to this zone, even if we do just continue going down, my trade is over. I mean, I'll take the trade out straight away. I'm not going to bother, you know, just for the sake of 20, 30, 40 pips, you know, even a bit more maybe, just to gain that and possibly lose the same amount. So that would be my trade if we do go back into there for the gold. Current pending orders I have, which was the gold I've just shown you, and the Euro CAD, which is here. Sell stop, you see I have it here, that was just below the wick of this bull candle there. We're nearly touching it, a few pips away. If we do reach it, I mean, my next target is there, which is approximately 276 pips. Stop loss is going to be 47 odd pips, give or take. So I mean, I believe, yeah, this is going to reverse down to this level. At least it could continue going, but I'm only taking one trade for this, could possibly retrace after that. But these are my current trades, current pending orders in play at the moment. You know, I check my charts maybe six to 8 times a day. I try to check them on every 4-hour close. So like 123 minutes from now, I'll try to check it. I'll try to check it at big news releases. If I'm not in a trade and I've got a trade that's pending, I will maybe cancel that trade around news releases if I'm not sure of my predictions of which way the trade could go. But yeah, apart from that, they're my current trades at the moment. This is how I trade, and I'll hopefully make more videos when I can, but I'll keep my journal updated through Forex Factory. However, I would try to do as many videos as I can for my trades. You're more than welcome to leave any comments you like below, any questions as well. Like I said, this is my method of training. It's I believe the simplest method, the most effective method. I mean, I've used moving averages, I've used indicators, I've used systems. I've tried almost everything out there to trade basically the Forex market, and there is nothing simpler than having a simple clean chart which you can read from. You can see what's going on instead of having indicators everywhere and what's going on here. You just don't know. And basically, I mean, I've been profiting. You can see my statistics so far. I mean, if you don't believe these are my targets, sorry, these are my trades, winning, losing trades, you can go look back on the charts, figure it out yourself. I mean, you know, when I posted the charts, they were my orders. I haven't just wrote them down now. I'm not trying to prove anything to anybody. I'm just trying to show that, you know, Forex does work. It's a system that you can make money off. You know, I do make a living, part of my living off Forex. I mean, my full-time job is in front of my computer for what I do anyway, so I keep my charts open. I always keep an eye on them, and yeah, I mean, it's something that is possible, especially for the new traders out there. You're not going to make money very quickly. You know, this sort of pip gains and stuff, you know, it's not because I'm putting on full lots or I'm trying to make money quick out of it. You know, they're quite small lots. It's based on my money management at the end of the day. You know, when your account balance is in the hundreds of thousands, you know, you can risk as much as necessary, but until then it's not worth risking, you know, any more than 5-7%. That's what I look at per trade. If it's solid, and you know, I always keep an eye on my stop losses, just especially when they go past important areas for me. And yeah, you know, maybe it will come down and take me out, but at the end of the day, it's not a losing trade. And obviously I've not gained what I could have, but again, you just look for a better entry. And the reason I trade so many pairs is because you've got so much going on. I was always, people on Forex Factory may know me for hanging around a lot in the pound yen forum. That's where I spend a lot of my time, because I was a lot of the time concentrating on this pair alone, just this pair, and the gold I used to concentrate a lot on. But you know, I used to have trades where I'd make 100+ pips, and I would be into the money a lot, and then, you know, you get overconfident, and then all of a sudden you're you know, you've lost that plus more. And you know, this is, I'm talking about a few years ago now. That's how it used to be. But it's yeah, you know, everyone's got their own system. I'm not telling you how to trade. I'm not trying to give you my system or tell you a system. I'm just telling you, you know, keep it simple, and you know, you'll always win at the end of the day. Whether it's break even, whether it's in profit, whether it's a loss, at the end of the day, you've won because you've understood the reason why the trade went against you, and you've, you know, losing these amount of pips is, for my money management, is fine, it's handleable, it's not a problem for me. But anyway, I'll leave you guys to it, and I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. Thank you.